In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how to apply individual attributes to project elements without overriding all the styles within the project. To do this, we'll need to work with the style sheet. So, if the style sheet's not loaded over here, go ahead and load it. For this example, we're going to work with the balloon style. And we're going to work with a single attribute. For example, let's go ahead and open up the background color. And let's change it to a yellow. Now this is going to be, in this example, the only attribute that we're going to go ahead and change. We don't want to change any of the fonts, any of the types of balloons, and so on. So you want to make sure to follow the rest of these instructions very carefully so that when you apply the style sheet it doesn't override other attributes and styles within your project. So for example, what we're going to go ahead and do is check our message type attribute. We want to make sure that none of the selections are checked off here. That way, with them being deselected, they won't be applied when we update the style. So we'll go ahead and click OK. Of course, we've already chosen a new background color. That's what we're going to apply. Now, text properties is important also. You want to make sure that if you don't want to change anything here, that you don't have it checked off. So for example, we just rechecked the size, but if you don't want the size updated when you apply it, deselect it. And of course, we do not want to change any of our underlines or any of our bolding or italics within our balloon text. So we'll go ahead and deselect that one again, and so on down the list, and then we'll click OK. Finally, the other attribute we have is shadow properties. Make sure it's deselected so when it's updated no shadow effects are applied, and we'll click OK. Once you've checked all of your attributes, go ahead and then select the Apply Selected Styles to Project, in this case the balloon. We'll click OK, read the information in the window, and then click OK, and then the attribute is updated. And if we go through here for a couple slides, let's swap over to the Project tab, and you'll notice here it didn't take away the underline here, it just updated the background color. Again, bolding here, it kept the same type of pointer, and so on. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions on this particular topic or any others while working with Carbon's products and services, please visit us online at www.carbon.com. And thanks for stopping by.